I was redoing my bedroom and I wanted something that would be unique, long-lasting, and really an accent piece. The old bedroom was bland, it was really gray, not much to look at. And me personally, I'm trying to cut down on plastic and find more sustainable products, which is why I was drawn to these wood planks that were formerly used from wood fence that aren't even carbon neutral, they're carbon negative. So it's carbon negative because it's actually naturally dried using less resources. There's a distinct story behind every single plank. And I'm what you would consider handy, but in no way, shape, or form am I a contractor. I type for a living. The installation was actually fun. Stickers stress me out, where you have to have everything perfect and hard lines. There is a little bit more prep that you have to do just to be ready, but once you get going, the wall flies up. I ended up completing a 9x8 wall in just about 2 hours. And what was once bland and boring is now a piece of art. And now I just kind of catch myself staring at it sometimes when I'm trying to fall asleep. I really love it. It feels great that it is truly sustainable, all natural, no chemical, real wood. And I chose Sundance White, but Centennial Woods has a handful of different finishes that are sure to fit your space. If you want to see more, click on through. There's free, fast shipping, and you can see all the different finishes from Centennial Woods.